is how to remove activation lock on iCloud. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. If you forget your iCloud ID or password, what you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser from another phone. And here you have to search for the iCloud activation lock removal, and once you search for it, now here you have to open this website. Once you click on the link, now it will redirect you to this website. Here you have to scroll down and go to the option start and activation lock support request. Once you click on this link, now it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to scroll down and go to the start and activation lock support request option, and you have to click on it. Now at this page you have to scroll down and go to the get started option, and you have to click on it. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here it will show all the terms, and once you read all the terms, now you have to scroll down and click on the I agree option and then click on the continue. After that, here you have to enter your email address and your mobile serial number. You also have to type this captcha in the box and then click on the continue. After that, it will further assist you to the removal of activation lock. You have to follow all the steps to remove activation lock. So this was how you can remove your activation lock on iCloud.